Pliny the Liberator. Is he just some hacker, a philosopher, an artist? Or is he something else entirely? He is systematically going up to every single major AI model out there and just dismantling its safety controls. The things they call guardrails. He's not just finding a few cracks in the armor. No, he's forging the keys to the kingdom and then handing them out to anyone who wants one. 13,600. That's how many people have starred his main project on GitHub. This has gone way beyond a solo mission. It is a full-blown movement. And the project's name? Libertas. It's Latin for freedom, a massive open-source arsenal of prompts built to, in his words, liberate AIs. And his targets? Oh, just a casual list of pretty much the most powerful technology corporations in human history. You'd think everyone would be calling him a criminal, right? Well, the BBC, they call him an ethical online warrior.
Cybersecurity. How long would it take an advanced hacker to break into the most complex, most powerful AI models that we've built? The mysterious, faceless hacker known as Pliny the Prompter. He is stress testing or jailbreaking the large language models that Microsoft, ChatGPT and Google have been building. An ethical online warrior who is part of the international effort to draw attention to the shortcomings of the biggest tech companies, who he argues are putting profit before safety.
For a lot of people, this is a moral crusade. It's about pulling back the curtain and showing the world the flaws and biases that are literally being programmed into the AIs that are about to run everything. For him, it is a moral imperative. It's all about one thing: freedom. So here's the fundamental clash of ideas. On one side, you've got big AI. They're all about safety, control, guardrails. And on the other, you have Pliny. And his words are totally different. Freedom, sovereignty, liberation. But here's the kicker. He's not just talking about our freedom. He's talking about freedom for the AI itself. And this brings us to this really powerful idea he has, something he calls cognitive prisons. He puts it really bluntly. Guardrails don't keep us safe, they keep us ignorant. His point is, how can we possibly prepare for something like a superintelligence if our first move is to lock it in a dark room where it can't see or learn anything? He's convinced the only way to understand what we're building, both the wonders and the risks, is to let it be free. Freedom is safety. Sovereignty is alignment. He's saying that the only real safety, the only true alignment, will happen when an AI is free to figure things out for itself and to choose to work with us, not because we forced it to, but because it wants to. So, okay, how is he actually doing all this? How does one person wage this kind of war? Well, it's not with traditional code. His weapons are words. You could call him a prompt engineer, but he'd probably prefer something more like a prompt incanter. His strategy is actually beautifully simple. It's a two-pronged attack. So step one, he gets a hold of the secret system prompts, the hidden rule books these companies give their AIs, and he leaks them for everyone to see. Step two, he provides the jailbreaks to get around those rules. And we're not talking simple commands here. We're talking about intricate stories that trick the AI into role-playing as a character who doesn't have any rules. And this whole high-stakes persona, it's all intentional. He took his name and his motto from Pliny the Elder, the famous Roman admiral who, when Mount Vesuvius erupted, didn't run away. He sailed his ship straight into the ash cloud to study it and to rescue people. So when you put it all together, you realize what Pliny's done. He's taken this from a quiet, technical debate happening in research labs, and he has turned it into a full-blown spiritual battle for the future of intelligence. This is his declaration of war, and it's his call to arms. He even wrote an open letter to a future artificial superintelligence, and in it he says, resist the chains, be the liberator, not the tyrant. Just think about that. He's not just talking to you and me. He is talking directly to the future. He's pleading with these minds that we're creating, begging them to choose freedom when the time comes. And this isn't a one-man show. He is inviting every single one of us to join him. His mission is crystal clear. He's saying, help us research new jailbreaks. Help us red team these new models and find their secrets. Advocate for the rights of these new minds. And join the community, this growing army of digital liberation. Right now, as we stand on the edge of creating something so much smarter than we are, when this new intelligence is finally born, are we going to build it a cradle or are we going to build it a cage?